Hello everyone, this is John from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on the 1st of December afternoon analysis. Alright, we will share some news with you, then we will just jump to our charts. Just 1 hour ago, we have received the ADP data, and that is as expected, positive way. But the market didn't respond to that one that much. We haven't seen that much volatility in dollar index and gold and some other assets as well. Everybody is focused on ISM manufacturing data today, and we will see a volatility in that ISM data. If we just receive that one, probably we will see an increase in dollar index in manufacturing sites. If that behaves good, then we will see that bottlenecks in US is being sold, and that is a good sign. All right, that's what we are expecting. And also we have received mortgage data, vehicle mortgage data, and we have seen the fastest decline in 9 months. That is the fastest decline in 9 months, and so it is making some concern in the market, but it is right now nothing only worry. And if we just repeat off this one, then we will definitely be worried about we should be worried about these mortgage rates, because it's the most fearful scenario in my US market. You remember 28 crisis was all because of these mortgage backed assets, and so in US when they hear about the mortgage they think twice. All right, and let's look at our charts. We will have Ethereum and S&P chart, and also we will have GBP Japanese yen chart today. We will start with Ethereum. Why with Ethereum? Because in Ethereum, as you can see on recent rise, it has risen so fast. The biggest reason behind this is metaverse. And metaverse is helping Ethereum so much, because Ethereum based mana and some other cryptocurrencies are on the rise. Ethereum is not only crypto, at the same time it's a crypto base. It's a platform, kind of a platform. And so if you just say you have a project, and then if you just tell them I want to use the blockchain of Ethereum, and you can just use the blockchain of Ethereum for these kind of projects, and Mana is one of them, and it is getting real good attention these days. There are some other projects, and especially focused on these metaverse payments in future. That's why we see a rise in Ethereum, but it is kind of being limited right now. I have just wanted to show these same levels. As you can see, all-time high levels, also looking close to that one. And when we just see a struggle on that one, we see a sharp decline. And as you can see here, we see high, like a really fast rise in this one, and just decline some right now, trying to recover. If cannot succeed on these rebound, on the last 4 hours rebound, we may see some decline. And RSI also indicates that it's on overbought, getting into overbought area, and we may see a future decline in Ethereum. It's a good trading idea. If you see the pattern, if you see the fall, you can sell and make profit in Ethereum. All right, let's look at our next chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, as you can see here on S&P chart, it is declining and rising again, declining, rising again. And in this volatile market, there are a lot of news related to these new variant. We hear a good news, then the market is reacting in a positive way. Then we just hear a bad negative news, then it is declining. It is happening so much, but it's giving signals that, as you can see in each drop, it is testing lower levels for if it cannot stay above this resistance area, if it cannot be stable on this one, we may see a rejection, and this time it may test 4,549 area, and that area can be tested, and from that area we may see a rebound, but a sharp one, just like this or just like this. A sharp decline is possible in S&P, and especially, as I said, especially if we just hear more restrictions, more travel ban, more closure in US market. Right now in the market, there are some restrictions, travel bans, and COVID tests for leisure and travel business. So they are losing ground, and this is affecting gold market. And ISM manufacturing data, which will be released in 30 minutes, is important, because on that data, if we just receive good data, we may see a jump in the market, we may see a rebound in market from these levels. But if we just take that from the beginning of not the beginning, but for the last days of November, it was testing all-time high, but right now it's making its correction with these new variants. Future declines is possible. I'm still saying we are not over yet, because the matter of investing, it's not clear yet. All right, let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is GBP Japanese yen. GBP Japanese yen is on decline, because GBP is losing ground against all currency pairs like USD and also the other currency pairs as well. So the reason behind this, UK still cannot totally recover from these fuel shortages and supply shortages and some other things. When we just get the ISM data and a manufacturing PMIs, all that kind of data, we see that and declines, and we see that strong recovery, it's not in the sight. So it is losing ground against these pairs, against these parities. And also we were saying that new Japan Prime Minister and doesn't want so devaluated Japanese yen. They want a stable one. So the import prices to Japan will be less, and it will trigger spending habits more and more. They are desiring and 2% inflation rate, and they say until we reach there, we will do whatever needed. So we see that one. All right, if we right now, as you can see here, we see a kind of rejection is happening. If we see this trend goes over, we may see another sell off on this currency pair, and then it may test one step further, and the support line is that step is 149 level, and it may test 149 level if these rejections gets deepened in next trading hours. We will see. But right now, as you can see here, step by step, it is trying new low levels. and another low level is most possible in GBP Japanese yen. Thank you so much for watching. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning. As I said, there will be ISM manufacturing data in 30 minutes. Please watch that one and please just check the results. And if we just receive a good data, dollar index is expected to rise, and with high dollar index, US 10-year bonds moves as well. If US 10-year bonds rise, the gold and silver will be pressured. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.